Parkshit Fields and it's finally December, which means Christmas is almost here. Parkshit Muse has really upped their game with the seasonal decor that will really bring the Christmas cheer to you. We have with us a respectable fashion designer in Sri Lanka. It's none other than Sharini. Hi, how are you doing this evening?
Very good, thanks. It's so nice to be here and enjoy the Christmas spirit.
So tell me, what are you expecting for Christmas this year?
I want things to be fun again because we've been missing that part of it. So I can see fun already, so it's nice.
So tell me, are we going to expect anything from you this Christmas, like a Christmas collection maybe?
Of course, the collection is already out and already selling. Half of it is sold because people prepared way in advance this time. So it's good.
Tell me, what are you excited for Christmas?
I want a remote control car from Santa.
Are you excited for Christmas?
Are you excited?
What do you want from Santa this year?
Present.
That was lovely. Thank you, Shani, for joining us.
Thank you, thank you.
We are with Dinara. So, do you mind telling me what plans you have for Christmas this year?
Actually, there's so many parties, and like we have been invited for so many parties. So it's like a very seasonal. It's happy to have the season back after. Yeah.
We have with us Zara. So, do you mind telling us what you're excited for Christmas this year?
I'm excited for the fun that we can have and the fact that we get to be outside because we've been in lockdown for so long and we get to have cheer.
Definitely. Thank you so much for joining us today. Have a good night.
Yeah, thank you.
We have with us Tasmin here. So tell us what we can expect for Christmas at Parkshit Muse and what the people could expect.
Well, to be very honest, it's more like what we can expect. And we are hoping that people will come out, be generous, open their purses, think of the needy, think of all our staff who have been out of work for almost 2 years, and those who can afford would spend. We're expecting a good Christmas, I hope.
Thank you so much for taking your time to talk to us. We are with Mr. Atula, the director of the Kuraku Japanese restaurant. Hi, sir, how are you doing this evening?
Hi, Tanukshi, how are you?
I'm doing fine.
It's a lovely evening, thank you very much, yes.
Tell me what we can expect from your restaurant for this Christmas season.
Well, we have been, even during the COVID time, we were doing deliveries and we were being very active. And especially during the Christmas season, you see, we are very happy that many of our constituents they are fully vaccinated, they are now coming in. So we are always coming out with some new treat for them. So we have a bit of surprises for them. We have happy hours and new menus coming out. So, we are trying to make the best out of we want to give the best to our clientele during the Christmas season.
Do you have any personal plans for Christmas this year? Anything exciting for you?
I beg your pardon?
Do you have anything exciting for you personally this year?
Well, Christmas is always an exciting period for all of us. So particularly, for us, this is something, for me personally, we had a spell of 19 months of lull period. We were just managing, but now things are opening up, customers are coming. So it gives us a lot of personal satisfaction for us to keep treating them. It's a tremendous joy for us.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Have a good evening.
Thank you very much, and thank you. It's a pleasure meeting you.
we have with us a man who needs no explanation, and that is Mr. Harper Gunaratna. Hi, sir. How are you doing this evening?
Very well. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So do tell us, what can we expect from you this Christmas?
Okay, so what I'm doing this Christmas is, which I do every year, actually, the theme of our restaurants are coming together. And what we do is we always do some charity, and we do it throughout the year. So for us, we use this as a Christmas little thing, where we take Santa Claus and do stuff for the poor kids. And that has been my theme all these years, and I continue to do that, because during times of this nature, especially after the last 19 months, what everyone has gone through, and I think it's time for us to always remember the less fortunate people in our lives. You know, there are lots of people out there. As much as we have time to, you know, entertain and enjoy people, we must not forget them, and I think it's very, very important for me.
So tell me, what are you excited for Christmas this year?
You see, what's exciting is, you know, what's from a country point of view, if I'm to say it that way, you know, most of us have been vaccinated now, and the tourists are coming back, which is a very, very positive sign for the country. The country needs that, and we are happy to welcome them back to Sri Lanka. And the restaurants and the hotel sector and the hospitality sector especially, which has suffered a lot over the last 19 months, has there is slow recovery. And as much as we say we have to be safe, I think yes, we need to do the sanitization, wear our mask, and do all that. But we are happy that things are slowly picking up again. As I said, the industry needed that very badly, and we're looking forward to welcoming our expats coming back to Sri Lanka, the foreigners coming back, and not forgetting the most important thing is the local clientele who has stood with us over the last 30 years or 35 years plus, who have been a part of our industry, and we cannot forget them.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. Hope you have a great evening.
And all the very best for Christmas, and all the good luck to you guys.